Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another car vlog. It's your boy Trevor back with another video, baby. I know you can't see me because it is early in the morning. So what is up, everybody? Welcome back to another car vlog. And in today's car vlog, we're talking about that viral video that's going around that people are like, oh, is that fake or is that real? And basically what I'm talking about is the porta potties that are flying through the air. But apparently there's so much wind that it was able to lift the porta potty off the ground, shooting it like 100 feet in the air. I don't know if there was supposedly somebody in there or somebody not in there, but the only way it could be that windy is if it was like a hurricane force wind that would take that, or a tornado that was so powerful that lifted up those porta potties and threw it like that. And if you're going there in the daytime in the hot sun, those things stink so bad. Those things are so hot inside. Those things are just, whoo! It's disgusting. I don't like them. I try to stay out of them. But because they're made out of plastic and we're here in Florida, imagine being one of those things. You'd be sweating your ass off. And they're so disgusting because you go in there and there's crap everywhere. Yeah, man, you don't want to be in a porta potty here in Florida. They're hot. They smell. And I wouldn't want to be in one personally, but sometimes you have to be in one. If you go to a concert or you're just somewhere where they're at, you have to be in them. And I don't like them personally because they're so small. They remind me of like an airport, like an airplane bathroom. But the reason why I don't really like a porta potty is they always have shit everywhere, or pee everywhere. So it's like you're either standing in pee or there's shit everywhere. That's disgusting. They never are clean. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. A flying freaking porta potty flying in the air. I'm guaranteeing you, everybody's seen this viral video going around on Facebook, the YouTubes, the Instagrams, wherever you find videos. I think everybody has seen this video of the porta potty that's flying in the air. But it's about that time where I say smash that like button, hit the subscribe button. My name is Trevor, back with another video, baby. Just letting you know my opinions on this flying porta potty. So as always, I will definitely see you guys in the next one, coming very, very soon. Later!